أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الرحمن علم القرآن خلق الإنسان علمه البيان الشمس والقمر بحسبان والنجم والشجر يسجدان والسماء رفعها ووضع الميزان ألا تطغوا في الميزان وأقيموا الوزن بالقسط ولا تخسروا الميزان والأرض ووضع للأنام فيها فاكهة والنخل ذات الأكمام وحب ذو عصف وزيتون فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان خلق الإنسان من صلصال كالفخار وخلق الجنة في المارج من نار فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان رب المشرقين ورب المغربين فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان مرج البحرين يلتقيان بينهما يرزخون لا يبغيان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان يخرج منهما اللؤلؤ والمرجان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان وله الجوار المنشآت في البحر كالأعلام فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان كل من عليها فان ويبقى وجه ربك ذو الجلال والإكرام فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان يسأله من في السماوات والأرض كل يوم هو في الشأن فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان سنفرغ لكم أيها الثقلان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان يا معشر الجن والإنس إن استطعتم أن تنفذوا من أقطار السماوات والأرض فانفذوا لا تنفذون إلا بسلطان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان يرسل عليكما شواظ من النار ونحاس فلا تنتشرون فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان وإذا انشقت السماء فكانت وردة كالدهان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان صدق الله العظيم. let us hear the translation in English. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. The most gracious Allah, He has taught you, mankind, the Quran by His mercy. He created man. He taught him eloquent speech. The sun and the moon run on their peaks, courses exactly calculated with a measured out of stages each for reckoning. And the herbs or stars and the trees both prostrate themselves to Allah. See the verses 22-18, Tafsir Ibn Kathir. And the heaven He has raised it high, and He has set up the balance, in order that you may not transgress due balance, and observe the width with equity, and do not make the balance deficient. And the earth He has put down laid for the creatures. Therein are fruits and date palms, producing seti fruit stock, enclosing dates, and also corn with its leaves, and a stalk of powder, and sweet-scented plants. Then, which of the blessing of your Lord will you both jinn and men deny? He created man, Adam, from sounding clay like the clay of pottery, and the jinn He created from a smokeless flame of fire. Then, which of the blessing of your Lord will you both jinn and men deny? He is the Lord of the two east, place of the sun's rise during early summer and early winter, and the Lord of the two west, place of the sunset during early summer and winter. Then, which of the blessing of your Lord will you both jinn and men deny? He has let loose the two ships, the salt and fresh water, meeting together. Between them is the barrier which none of them can transgress. Then, which of the blessing of your Lord will be you, both jinn and men, deny? Out of them both come out the pearl and the coral. Then, which of the blessing of your Lord will you, both jinn and men, deny? And his are the ships going and coming in the seas, like a mountain. Then, which of the blessing of your Lord will you both jinn and men deny? Whatsoever is on it, the earth will perish, and the feast of your Lord, full of the majesty and honor, will be remain forever. Then, which of the blessing of your Lord will you both jinn and men deny? Whatsoever is in the heavens and on the earth begs of him, its needs from him. Every day he is engaged in some affair, such as giving of honor of disgrace to some, life of death to some, etc. Then, which of the blessing of your Lord will you both jinn and men deny? We shall attain you, O you two classes of jinn and men. Then, which of the blessing of your Lord will you both jinn and men deny? O assembly of jinn and men, If you have a power to pass beyond the zones of the heavens and the earth, then pass beyond them, but you will never be able to pass them except you authority from Allah. Then, which of the blessing of your lords will you both jinn and men deny? There will be set against you both smokeless flames of fire and molten brass, and you will not be able to defend yourselves. Then, which of the blessing of your Lord will you both jinn and men deny? Then when the heaven is rent asunder, and it's become a rosy or red like a red oil or red hide. See verses 70 to 8. Then which of the blessing of your Lord will you both jinn and men deny? So, on that day, no question will be asked of man or jinn as to his sin, because they have already been known from their feast, either white dwellers or paradise, true believers of the Islamic monotheism, or black dwellers of the hill, politicians, disbelievers, criminals. Sadaqallahul Adzim.